Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my Bio Seaweed Gel haul. I purchased a bunch of their products about 2 months ago because they had their semi-annual sale. I got a whole bunch of stuff. I've been using their products ever since I ordered them. So I feel like I can give like an honest and thorough review of how their products work. What interested me about Bio Seaweed Gels was they have a really good social media presence. I've been following them for years. They have a wider range of colors. They're Canadian, so I don't have to worry about paying crazy shipping or customs and duties fees. And also because they have this line that is an all-in-one. So you don't have to apply base, color, and top coat separate. It's all combined into one formula. I started using gel nail polish since the beginning of 2019. Up until then, I always had my nails done with nail polish, and I've had pretty good luck with nail polish. I just didn't like the fact that it took so long to dry, and it would start chipping after a week or so. Especially with a new baby, I just didn't have the time to sit and wait for nail polish to dry and to do it so often because of the chipping. So I thought that gel nail polish was a good solution because gel polish cures instantly under a UV lamp, which is this thing right here. This is the one that I have. And gel polish is also known to last a lot longer. So I'm gonna show you guys what I purchased, and I'm gonna give you a review of how everything performed and how I'm liking the product so far. Okay, so these are the 3-step colors that I got. These are like most other gel polishes where you need the base coat and top coat. And I got a bunch of kind of wearable everyday pinks and 2 shimmery toppers because I like to put them on top of cream colors to just kind of add a bit of like a shimmer or luminescence. First, I have the cotton candy, kind of like a bubblegum pink. Second, I have marshmallow. It's kind of just like a muted pale pink that looks almost white on your nails. And then we have Fate, still a nude, but it has more of a baby pink tone to it. The 2 toppers I got, I call them toppers. I just like to use these over top of cream colors just to add a little bit of something something. I got icing and seashell. Icing is a baby pink shimmer, and then we've got seashell, which is a like luminescent lavender. So these are the Unity all-in-ones that I got: Pinky Swear, So in Pink, Sweet Peach, and Teacups. I know these 3 look very similar, but they actually are different in real life. I have the Sweet Peach on my nails right now. It's a really fun summer color. So this one I would say is more of a peachy pink with almost like an orange undertone, whereas this is more of a coral pink. It looks very, very similar, but it is different. You can kind of see there, it's more of like a coral pink. And this one is a light, kind of like a pastel neon peach almost. And this one is a pastel lavender color. Very pretty. So right off the bat, these have a very thick and goopy formula. So you can see it's very thick. A lot of product comes out. You really have to brush off the excess product on the bottle, and it creates, I hate formulas like this because it creates such a big mess. So if you don't clean it up enough, then you make a big mess on your fingernail, and there's a lot of pooling around the cuticles and whatnot. And then it's just messy to clean up on the sides. Right off the bat, I don't love the formula. It is workable, but it's not an ideal formula for me. Another thing that I didn't like about the formula is that when you actually put it on your nail, it's not super opaque. The coats aren't even. It's very hard to get them even. They kind of go on goopy, so then you'll get spots where it's thicker and then spots where it's more sheer. And it doesn't matter how many coats I put on. Like, I have 3 coats on my nails. There are still spots where it's just not even. Like, you can see through certain spots, like it's still sheer. And no matter what I do, it just doesn't even out. I also find that this formula, it doesn't stick to itself. It kind of chips away from itself. I don't know if you can tell, but see, this is probably the second and third layers chipping away from the first layer. It doesn't really stick. The layers just kind of peel off of themselves, and yeah, it just doesn't stick. Usually, if there's any chipping involved, it's the entire layer of all the polishes together. It kind of chips off all in one piece and peels away. At least that's been my experience. But this one, it's the individual coats of the gel polish. It just chips off of like all the layers underneath it, which is really weird. So that was my review of the Bio Seaweed Gel nail product. Would I support them again? I think I would, simply because they have a huge range of colors. They're Canadian, so it's just so easy for me to purchase online from them. They also do a lot of trade shows. In the summer, we have the CNE in Toronto, and they always have a booth there, so I would go visit them if I get the chance, because I like to see the colors up in person. I know sometimes on the monitors and stuff, it's hard to determine what the color actually looks like in real life. And yeah, I hope this review helps some of you guys out if you're considering buying Bio Seaweed Gel nails, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.